Introduction. Welcome to Inspiring Small Front Yard Transformations. A beautiful front yard is more than an attractive entrance. It is the first impression of your home and a reflection of your personal style. Even the smallest outdoor spaces can become welcoming, elegant, and functional with thoughtful landscaping choices. In this video, we'll explore inspiring front yard landscaping ideas designed specifically for small homes in 2026, featuring modern trends, timeless beauty, and practical solutions that create stunning curb appeal without requiring a large property. Designing with a clear vision. Planning a landscape that fits your home. Every successful landscape begins with a well-planned design. Before selecting plants or decorative features, consider your home's architectural style, available sunlight, drainage, and daily maintenance needs. A cohesive layout allows every element to complement one another, making a compact front yard appear organized, spacious, and visually balanced while maximizing every square meter of available outdoor space. Layering greenery for depth. Creating dimension with plants of different heights. One of the simplest ways to make a small garden feel larger is by planting in layers. Ground covers provide a lush foundation, flowering shrubs add color in the middle, and ornamental trees introduce height without overwhelming the space. This layered approach creates natural depth, draws the eye through the landscape, and delivers a professional garden appearance throughout every season. Curved pathways that invite exploration. Soft walkways with natural character. Instead of straight concrete paths, consider gently curving walkways built with stone, gravel, or pavers. Curves naturally slow the eye, making a compact front yard feel more expansive and inviting. Bordering pathways with lavender, dwarf grasses, or seasonal flowers softens the edges while adding fragrance, movement, and year-round beauty that welcomes visitors to your front door. Elegant garden borders. Defining spaces with style. Garden edging creates clean lines while separating lawns, flower beds, and pathways. Natural stone, weathered brick, corten steel, or timber edging each offer a unique design personality. Well-defined borders not only improve the visual organization of your landscape, but also simplify maintenance by keeping mulch, gravel, and plants neatly contained throughout the year. Choosing compact trees. Small trees with big visual impact. Small ornamental trees provide vertical interest without dominating limited outdoor space. Japanese maple, crepe myrtle, dwarf magnolia, and flowering dogwood remain popular choices for modern landscapes. Their graceful branches, colorful foliage, and seasonal blooms create elegant focal points while maintaining an open and airy atmosphere around smaller homes. Color through seasonal flowers, keeping the garden beautiful all year. A colorful garden doesn't require hundreds of flowers. By selecting plants with different blooming periods, homeowners can enjoy continuous beauty across every season. Spring bulbs, summer perennials, autumn grasses, and evergreen shrubs work together to maintain visual interest, ensuring your front yard always looks vibrant and welcoming regardless of the time of year. Low-maintenance landscaping. Beauty without constant upkeep. Many homeowners today seek landscapes that remain attractive with minimal effort. Native plants, drought-tolerant species, decorative gravel, and quality mulch reduce watering and weeding while promoting healthier gardens. Smart plant selection creates a polished appearance that stays beautiful throughout the seasons without demanding endless hours of maintenance. Outdoor lighting that transforms. Evening elegance with soft illumination. Landscape lighting dramatically changes the atmosphere after sunset. Solar pathway lights, uplighting beneath trees, warm wall sconces, and subtle garden spotlights highlight architectural details while improving safety. Soft illumination creates a welcoming entrance and allows beautiful landscaping to remain visible and inviting long after daylight disappears. Decorative fences and gates. Adding privacy with character. A thoughtfully designed fence or gate can become one of the most attractive features of a front yard. Modern wooden slats, black steel frames, white picket fences, or rustic timber gates each contribute unique charm while defining property boundaries. Climbing roses, jasmine, or ivy soften hard surfaces and add natural elegance to the entrance. Mixing hardscape and softscape. Achieving perfect landscape balance. Great landscaping combines structural materials with living plants. Stone pathways, retaining walls, decorative gravel, timber planters, and seating areas provide stability and function, while surrounding greenery adds softness and life. This balance creates visual harmony, allowing even the smallest front yard to feel thoughtfully designed and exceptionally inviting. Vertical gardening solutions. Making every wall bloom. When horizontal space is limited, vertical gardens offer endless possibilities. Trellises covered with flowering vines, mounted planter boxes, living green walls, and decorative hanging baskets introduce additional greenery without occupying valuable ground space. Vertical landscaping also adds texture and creates attractive focal points near entrances and fences. Sustainable garden ideas. Eco-friendly landscaping for modern living. Sustainability continues to influence landscaping trends in 2026. Rain gardens, permeable pavers, compost-friendly planting beds, and water-efficient irrigation systems help conserve natural resources while supporting healthier ecosystems. Choosing native plants encourages local wildlife, attracts pollinators, and reduces maintenance, creating landscapes that are both beautiful and environmentally responsible. cozy decorative accents, personal touches that complete the space. Small decorative details transform a garden into a welcoming outdoor retreat. Stylish planters, wooden benches, ceramic pots, decorative lanterns, bird baths, and tasteful sculptures introduce personality without overcrowding the landscape. Carefully selected accessories complement the surrounding plants while expressing the homeowner's unique taste and creativity. Front yard trends for 2026. Modern designs with timeless appeal. The latest front yard landscaping trends embrace simplicity, sustainability, and natural textures. Soft ornamental grasses, mixed perennial borders, warm wood accents, oversized stepping stones, natural stone features, and layered planting schemes create inviting landscapes that feel modern yet timeless. These trends prioritize beauty, functionality, and long-lasting curb appeal for homes of every size. Conclusion: creating a beautiful welcome home. A thoughtfully landscaped front yard proves that size is never the defining factor of beauty. Through careful planning, layered planting, elegant pathways, sustainable materials, and meaningful decorative touches, even the smallest home can enjoy exceptional curb appeal. We hope these front yard landscaping ideas inspire your next outdoor project and encourage you to create a welcoming garden that reflects your personality while bringing joy every time you arrive home.